Welcome to the channel Love Coding. In this video, I'm going to talk about the C# statements, expressions, and operators. Now, what do you mean when we say the term statements? Now, in my previous video about variables, I've done something like int a is equal to 45 or 56 or something like that. In computer language, we call this entire line, this entire sentence as a statement. All right. Now, what is an expression? If we write anything like int a, or let's say int air is equal to 3 plus 5. All right. So in this statement, this entire line is a statement. We have an expression, and that is the thing that is present on the right hand side here, which we are assigning it to air. So this is an expression. 3 plus 5 is an expression, and we have the operator hidden here as well. This part is the operator. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is an expression. Similarly, 4 into 9 is also an expression. Similarly, 13 divided by 45 is an expression. Similarly, we can have a complex expression like 12 plus 2 into 45 into 2 plus 9. So these entire things and these entire bits can be termed as an expression. So expression is something that expresses its value or expresses something in the computer's program. Okay, like here we are trying to express that we want to know what is 4 into 9. Here we want to know what is 3 plus 5. Here we want to know what is the division, what is the resultant of 13 divided by 45, and similarly we want to know the resultant of this. So these all are termed as expressions, and these are the operators here. This is the division operator, this is the multiplication operator, this is the normal math plus operator, this is the normal 9 minus 7, the subtraction operator, and we also have something known as modulus operator, 15 mod 3. So we call it as a mod operator. Okay, so these are the most commonly and popularly used operators that you might start using when you start uh, coding in C Sharp. And I will let you know, guys, how these work when I start using these in Visual Studio in my later section. Okay, so till then these are just baby steps to make you much more acquainted with the situation, like what is known as a statement, what is known as a statement, what is known as an expression, what is known as an operator, and there's one more thing, what is known as an operand. So these are known as operand, the elements that are combined by operators are known as operands. Okay, let me add it over here so that it will add some meaning to our lesson. Okay, operands. Okay, so that's it. These are what is known as a statement, expressions, operands, and operators. Okay, so let me know your thoughts These are just simple examples of what these actually mean. Let me know in the comment section below what explanation do you need on this topic, and anything more that you want me to add um, as a support for these um, entities. Okay, till then, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you.